So friends, today I'm going to tell you how you can start a new React project from the very beginning. You don't need to know anything, you just do and follow my steps, and a new and brand new React project will be started on your PC. So first, I will share this link down in the description. So follow my steps. For first of all, I have to open the Visual Studio, this one, and then do a very short way. For example, in any kinds of folder from your PC, create a new folder. For example, I'm creating a new folder and I'm telling it my first React project. Okay, so here is my folder, you can see. So what I'm doing, I'm very easily, and as I'm thinking that you are very much new person, so just go to the file here and open a folder and paste the path what you have copied. For example, for my case it is this one. You can see here is that folder, fast React project. Select the folder, and so that a blank interface will come. So you can see this folder has located here. So what I will do now, I will open a terminal. You can see there's terminal, open a new terminal, and in this terminal I will write something, but don't worry, I will share every document with you and follow my steps. Just copy paste everything and it will be easy for you. So here you can see it's a tailwind css project from vite, so you will get a very much optimized look in your React project. So just follow these steps. So here's my first command, npm react vite latest project template from React. So I'm going to paste it. So just right click and you can see it is already pasted and hit enter. After 2 or I mean you can say 1 minute or 30 seconds, your project setup will be done. So you can see it is asking me is following packages. So you will have to press Y and then press enter. So you can see the packages are installing in your browser, sorry, in your VS Code. So here you can see this one. So I'm not pasting this thing, I will copy each and everything from my this one. Here is a cd, I mean it means the location of your project. So you can see cd my project and then press enter. Then another thing they are asking for, this one I will paste this one, npm install tailwind css postcss autoprefixer. Copy and paste it. So after that, this will install tailwind css so that your interface will look great. So it is installing, it will take almost you can see 30 seconds. After that it will be installed in your PC. As you can see, in my case, though it is taking a little bit time, it depends on your internet speed and other stuffs. Sorry for my delay, I'm a very noob person. So here you can see all the packages are installed here. Now I will copy the next command, npx tailwind css in -p, paste it and hit press enter. just follow my steps, it will do everything for you. You don't need to write or anything else. So here you can see it is already created. So now I will do these things. So to modify this code, you have to go to this page, tailwind config.js. I'm going to here, you can see this my project is created. Inside of it all many files are created, but don't worry, these you don't need to configure anything. You just go to this folder as they are said, post tailwind config.js, as I'm going to say tailwind config.js. Go to this one and remove everything, control A, I'm deleting everything, and then copy all the thing they have created. So here I'm copied, you can see this button is here, I'm pasting it here, and control S, and then go to this option. The another one, you have to go to the source index.css, go to the source, and then there is a option source index.css. you can see here is the index.css, source index.css. Copy all the code, and you don't need to worry here also, there are so many css here, but you have to delete everything is deleted, and press enter. Though it is giving some unknown things, but don't worry, these are unnecessary things. And here is our main part, you have to write npm run dev. This is how you can run your project. I am typing here npm run dev and press enter, and after that this code will be compiled in your browser. So here it is giving me the actual output. Here you can see it is saying me that please open this link. So I'm click on the follow link. If I click on the follow link, you can see my project is running here. So here you can see the project is coming here, but you can see there is no css applied here, as in my css folder I have deleted everything from my document. So you have a brand new. So here you can see how you can count this thing. Here you can see this is a count. So by this way you can be sure that your program is running perfectly. If I click on here 1 2 3 4, but I don't need this anything here. So what I will do, I will go to the source and this app.jsx. you can see there's lots of code here inside of here, but I don't need anything of this. I'm going to cross this thing, and I'm going to delete everything from here and create I will pass this thing. You can see I will delete this function also. I don't need this one also. If I save, you can see there's nothing here. So what I will do, I will create a div here so that you can at least see something, and I will put one h1 tag here, and here I can say my first React code. Okay, so you can see press Ctrl save. So if I go to my page, you can see my first React code is coming. Nothing is appearing here, but here you can do anything. If I, for example, you can put the CSS, or you can say the class name. You can put anything here. For example, I'm giving it like text. You can see there's options are coming here, so you can put this class name here. If I click on the save and then go to my page, you can see this code is coming, though it's looking not very good. I'm going to put blue. Okay, I'm choosing this one. This is a bit dark. Okay, and put save. Sorry, here you can see everything is coming properly. So basically here how you can run your fast code, and you can write anything here, or you can decorate anything according to your instruction. So this is how you can run a project from React. Thank you everyone.